Matt, welcome to Skydive Utah. Awesome. So what brings you here today?
Pretty much got bribed into it.
Got bribed and decided, what the hell?
Mom's birthday present.
Oh, excellent.
It works.
Perfect. So we have just a few minutes before we hop on this plane. How are you feeling about that? A little bit nervous, scared, or just ready to go?
Scared, ready to get it over with.
Excellent. Well, any last words to say before we fly?
I better not die.
Well, we'll see about that. Have fun. Well, we're gonna open this door up. Cliff is throwing you out. Awesome. Have fun. Oh yeah. Hopefully it'll be attached. Here we go. Wow, Matt, what do you think?
Awesome.
It's pretty nice up there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for the great time.
Thank you.